For the 3D ghost picture DIY, you will need gauze, a picture frame, a doll, a paintbrush, Vaseline, and Mod Podge. First, take the glass out of the picture frame. Now cover the doll's face in Vaseline and start placing gauze over it. Now paint on Mod Podge your glue. Clip the gauze tightly to dry. Remove the gauze carefully and cover the back of the picture frame with gauze and glue on the face. I also added some glue details to the top of the picture frame. For these cute ghosts, you will need white fabric, scissors, stuffing or cotton balls, a Sharpie, and some thread, and a hot glue gun. Cut the fabric into squares. Place a cotton ball or stuffing in the center of the square and secure it tightly with thread. Now add some glue to the top and place the thread in the glue. You could also glue on a stake to the bottom of the ghost and you could stick it outside, but I wanted to hang mine inside. So now just add a face. For these Frankenstein treats, you will need chocolate chips, green food dye and water, and marshmallows and toothpicks. Pour some water into the chocolate. Now microwave for 10 seconds, then stir, and repeat this until the chocolate is a smooth texture. Take more water and add around 10 drops of green food dye into the water and mix this up. One by one, dip each marshmallow into the green water mix. Pop the green marshmallows into the freezer so they can dry. Then when your chocolate is done, you can easily just paint the chocolate on the top of the marshmallows with a toothpick. Then I just lined the outside of the marshmallow by the top with stripes of chocolate so it looked more like hair. Now add a cute face. I also added a little stitch, so it looked more like Frankenstein. For this DIY, you will need a bunch of black paper, scissors, and something to write with. Fold the paper in half. Then draw or trace on a bat. Then cut that design out. Then I took tape and I taped them to the walls and ceiling of my house. To make this creepy candle, you will need a white candle, a lighter, and a red candle. Make sure the red candle is red all the way through. Light the red candle and let the wax drip onto the edges of the white candle.